Tired of the boring old white arrow on your desktop? Spice up your Windows experience by customizing your mouse pointer. We will show you how. Using the Windows settings allows you to change the size, color, and scheme of your mouse pointer without any additional software. Here's how to do it. Open Settings by pressing the Windows and I keys on your Windows device. Now navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. Now click on Mouse by scrolling down. In here, scroll down to Related Settings section and click on Mouse Pointer. From here, you can choose several types of mouse pointer style, such as white, black, inverted, or colored. For increasing or decreasing the size of the mouse pointer, the next parameter is very useful, which is size. Move the slider to the left or right to decrease or increase the size of the mouse pointer. Find a suitable point. Select the appropriate color you wish to use. Adjust the size by the slider, and there you have it. Your very own customizable, large or small, but irreplaceable mouse pointer on Windows. This was fun, right? For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.